The Owner's Guide to Maximizing Success in Integrated Projects. Key owner project delivery decisions require the selection of a delivery method, team selection, and contract type. These decisions are paramount to the performance and overall success of a project. There is a growing interest among owners to understand the relationships among these decisions and typical definitions of project success, such as cost, time, and quality outcomes. However, there is little data available to support these complex decisions. So how can owners make informed decisions to help their projects succeed? To fill in this missing data, a team at the University of Colorado at Boulder, along with a team from Pennsylvania State University, and later joined on by a team from the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, completed a three-step research study. The first step was to identify comprehensive variables. A survey was created based on an in-depth literary review of studies related to project performance metrics and critical success factors. From this, an extensive list of dependent and independent variables was formed. The dependent variables are project outcomes that reflect the measured performance or success of the project. The independent variables are those factors, including project delivery decisions, which can impact performance outcomes. A 2-day charrette workshop was then held to modify the preliminary list of performance metrics and influential variables and rank their importance and availability. The panelists were selected from major industry groups, qualified through a rigorous procedure, and had at least 10 years of experience in the construction industry. The results assisted the team in identifying comprehensive variables and refining the list to a manageable number for data collection. Step 2 was then to collect meaningful data. Using the variables from Step 1, a questionnaire was developed. The questionnaire was distributed by email and postal mail to professional organizations in the U.S. construction industry. A cover letter, set of instructions, and glossary of terms were attached to the survey in order to illustrate the project objectives and to explain the key terms. The data was collected via email and postal mail and compiled. The data was further validated by conducting thorough follow-up phone interviews. The reviewing procedure included verifying the project information to check for possible missing data, scrutinizing the consistency in given values, excluding out-of-scope projects, eliminating unverified projects, and resolving multiple response discrepancies. For each project, the research team contacted an owner representative, contractor representative, and wherever possible, the architect or designer. The data collection process took almost 2 years. The final step was to build a large project delivery database. This database contains 204 building projects, completed between 2008 and 2014. 62% are public, and 38% are private projects. Facility size ranges from less than 50,000 square feet to over 550,000 square feet. However, 77% of projects are less than 250,000 square feet. As far as facility type is concerned, projects include educational, office, healthcare, lodging, commercial, sports and recreation, manufacturing, correctional, and transportation facilities. The most common 5 out of 9 facility types make up 86% of projects in the database. The database was analyzed using various statistical software and statistical methods to provide how-to guidance for setting up and participating in a successful project. This type of quantitative evidence will improve the impact and reliability of key project decisions. This study was supported by the Charles Pankow Foundation and the Construction Industry Institute, and was supported by a large industry advisory board. To download the final report of this study, visit projectdelivery.weebly.com. This video was brought to you by the Safety, Risk Management, and Decision Making Research Group.